we are installing the front radiator guard or the underbody, and the nut that we are using, it's 8 mm and in length it's 1 inch. So there are two bolts here for the front underbody that we need to bolt on. So everything is bolt on, nothing, any drilling will be required for fitting installation of the underbody. Now you can see the second bolt that we are using along with the washer. So once it's done, we'll move to the next. That's the second for the chassis guard. After tightening the screw, we'll move to the second. So now we are installing the second part of the underbody with the same nut that with 8 mm and 1 inch with the washer. Here also two nuts are needed, so we will attach here the first and the second one. Now you can see the bolts, that's 8 mm and 1 inch. With this, there's a space between the one and the second in the body.